Footing column surveyors play a crucial role in the construction industry, especially in a bustling city like Bangalore. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a prominent firm that specializes in providing footing column survey services in Bangalore. With their expertise and experience, they ensure that the foundation of any structure is strong and stable. The surveyors at Scon Design India Private Ltd are well versed in the latest techniques and technologies used in the field of surveying, enabling them to deliver accurate results. A footing column survey is an essential step in the construction process, as it involves determining the positions and dimensions of the footings and columns of a building. This survey helps in ensuring that these elements are placed correctly and in accordance with the architectural plans. In Bangalore, where the demand for construction is high, it is crucial to have reliable footing column surveyors who can handle the complexities of urban construction. Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out as a trusted name in footing column survey services in Bangalore. They have a team of highly skilled and trained surveyors who are dedicated to providing accurate and reliable surveys. Their expertise extends to various types of structures, including residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. The surveyors at Scon Design India Private Ltd not only focus on the accuracy of measurements, but also consider factors such as soil conditions and structural integrity to ensure the stability and safety of the building. The use of advanced technology sets Scon Design India Private Limited apart from other footing column surveyors in Bangalore. They employ state-of-the-art equipment such as total stations, laser scanners, and GPS systems to capture precise data during the survey process. This technology allows them to collect data quickly and efficiently, reducing the time required for surveys and minimizing errors. Additionally, Scon Design India Private Ltd utilizes advanced software for data processing and analysis, ensuring that their clients receive comprehensive reports that are easy to understand. Apart from their technical expertise, Scon Design India Private Limited also prioritizes customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of clear communication and collaboration with their clients throughout the survey process. Their team of surveyors works closely with architects, engineers, and contractors to ensure that all requirements are met and that any potential issues are addressed promptly. This level of professionalism and dedication has earned them a reputation as one of the leading footing column surveyors in Bangalore. In conclusion, footing column surveyors play a vital role in ensuring the stability and safety of buildings in Bangalore. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a top choice for clients seeking reliable footing column survey services in the city. Their team of experienced surveyors, coupled with their use of advanced technology, enables them to deliver accurate surveys efficiently. With their commitment to customer satisfaction, Scon Design India Private Ltd continues to set high standards in the field of footing column surveys in Bangalore.